Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this job in CREO software. First I will create this base, then I will start other features. Friends, I am requesting you to please subscribe my channel and support me. Give name here. Remove this. Okay. Here select MM spot solid. Turn on the planes. Sketch view. You can see the R is 25 both the side, pitch is 65 mm and center 2 holes diameters are 11 mm. Select circle, give equal constraint, select line, give the dimension. This is 62 mm, this is 50, from here to here 31. Select delete segment, select circle, select equal constraint, give the dimension, mm. Click OK. Extrude thickness is 12 mm. Click OK. Next you can see there is one flange that dimensions are 50, 40 and 12 mm. For that select this surface, sketch view, select one rectangle, give the dimension, this is 50 and this is 25. Mm. Click OK. Select extrude up to 40 mm. Click OK. Next you can see there is a one pipe flange. The dimension from this surface 62 mm. Dimensions of the pipes are 35, 25 and 24 mm length. For that select this surface, sketch view, select circle, (25, 35 mm and smaller one is 25 mm. Dimension from here to here 62. Click OK. Extrude. Here select mid plane, length is 24 mm. Click OK. For this pipe both the sides ribs is there. For that select same surface, sketch, select line, select reference, select this surface, select the circle, select delete segment, delete these lines, click OK. Select extrude, reverse the direction, give 12 mm, click OK. Next, you can see there is a one rib. For that, select plane, sketch view, select the line, select references, close, click OK. Select here rib, profile rib, give the thickness of 12 mm, click OK. You can compare, friends. All the features are completed. If you like this video, I requesting you to please subscribe my channel and support me, friends. We can assign the color here or material. If you want to assign the material, go to view and assign the material, friends. Save the part. Already saved it is. So we should give the location. Okay, yeah, that location is correct only. Control S, click OK. That's it from today's session. Thanks for watching this video once again. So you can give some chamfer for these walls. Chamfer to 0.5. Select this and this. Select this also. Click OK.